Hello friends, today we will learn vegetables names. Tomato, tomato, tomato. Potato, potato, potato. Onion, onion, onion. Brinjal, brinjal, brinjal. Chili, chili, chili. Lady finger, lady finger. Cucumber, cucumber, cucumber. Cauliflower, cauliflower, cauliflower. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. Capsicum, capsicum. Peas, peas. Maize, maize. Jackfruit, jackfruit. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd. Broccoli, broccoli. Mushroom, mushroom. Red cabbage, red cabbage. Beetroot, beetroot. Bitter gourd, bitter gourd.